Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add slow shutter effect in CapCut PC. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my CapCut PC application, and as you can see I have created a project and I'm going to add slow shutter effect to this video. First of all, we can go to the effect menu and then we're going to go to the video effect, and in this video effect you need to search for Unreal effect. Okay, and you can choose the Unreal 1 or Unreal 2. Unfortunately, the Unreal 2 is just for a premium user, so I'm just going to use this Unreal 1. Okay, we can add the effect to our video, and this is the final result. As you can see guys, that the slow shutter effect has been applied to my video. Even though this effect is for pro user, I'm going to show you how this effect looks like. Okay, this is for the Unreal 2. For the Unreal 2, you can customize the speed like this. Okay guys, and that's all the way to add a slow shutter effect to our video in CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!